Hey everyone, welcome back to Delta Edge, your ultimate guide to the stock market. Today, we're diving into an exciting question: can mutual funds make you rich? Whether you're dreaming of financial freedom or just curious about mutual funds, this video is packed with insights, tips, and a bit of fun to keep you engaged. We'll uncover the secrets of mutual funds, explore their potential for building wealth, and give you the knowledge to make smart investment decisions. Let's get started. First things first, let's break down what mutual funds actually are. Imagine a big pool of money. That's essentially what a mutual fund is, except instead of swimming in it, you're investing in it. This pool of money is then used to buy a bunch of different stocks, bonds, or other assets. Think of it like a basket of investments. Now, managing this basket takes a lot of time and expertise, right? That's where fund managers come in. These are the pros who research, analyze, and pick the assets that go into your fund. They're like the personal shoppers of the investment world, making decisions to hopefully grow your money. So you're interested in a particular mutual fund? Great! Here's how it works. You buy units or shares of that fund, kind of like buying stock in a company. The value of your units goes up or down based on how well those underlying assets in the fund are performing. Now, remember that diversification we talked about? That's one of the biggest advantages of mutual funds. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket by investing in just one or two stocks, mutual funds spread your money across a variety of assets. This helps to reduce risk because if one investment isn't doing so hot, others might be booming and hopefully balancing things out. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Can mutual funds actually make you rich? Well, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. It's more like a "it depends," and we're going to break down exactly what it depends on. But first, let's set realistic expectations. Mutual funds aren't a get-rich-quick scheme. Don't expect to throw a few bucks in and become a millionaire overnight. Building wealth takes time, patience, and a solid strategy. That being said, mutual funds can be a powerful tool for growing your wealth over the long term. They offer several key advantages that can help you build a substantial portfolio over time. Chapter 4: Power of Compounding. One of the most incredible things about investing, in general, is this concept called compounding. It's basically like magic, but for your money. Here's how it works. When you invest your money, it has the potential to earn returns. But here's the cool part. When you reinvest those returns, your money starts earning returns on top of returns. It's like a snowball effect. Over time, even small amounts of money can grow exponentially through the power of compounding. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow. It's like that saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Chapter 5: Diversification. We touched on this earlier, but diversification is key when it comes to investing. Think of it this way. Would you rather put all your eggs in one basket and risk dropping them all, or spread them out in multiple baskets? That's what diversification does for your investments. It helps to mitigate risk by spreading your money across different asset classes, industries, and geographies. So, even if one area of the market isn't performing well, other areas might be thriving, which can help to buffer your overall portfolio. Chapter 6: Professional Management. Now, not everyone has the time, knowledge, or frankly, the desire to research and manage their own investments. That's where the professional management of mutual funds comes in. Remember those fund managers we talked about earlier? They're like the financial experts who dedicate their lives to analyzing market trends, researching companies, and making investment decisions. By investing in a mutual fund, you're essentially hiring a team of professionals to manage your money for you. They use their expertise to try and maximize returns and minimize risks, which can be especially helpful for investors who don't have the time or inclination to do it themselves. So, can mutual funds make you rich? The answer is, it's possible. While it's not a guaranteed path to riches, Mutual funds offer a powerful combination of compounding growth, diversification, and professional management that can significantly increase your chances of building wealth over time. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a solid strategy. If you're willing to put in the work and stay committed to your financial goals, mutual funds can be a valuable tool on your journey to financial freedom.